Okay. In this session, we can discuss about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the four fundamental operations in mathematics. Very important, all these topics. So, these addition, subtraction, multiplication and division will get in numerals, that means in Indian system of numeration, then fractions and decimals also. These four fundamental operations will be there. Now let us see about the additions. Addition means if we take two or more numbers that can be added. If you are adding two or more numbers, you will get a sum. So from the lower class to up to 7th class, how can you add a number, that we can learn now. So for example, in the first class, if you take some examples of additions, if you are adding two numbers, the first number is the addend and the second number also said to be the addend. If you are adding these two numbers, you will get a sum. Two or more numbers, by adding you will get sum. The sum is the sum or total. We can call this as sum or total. So from the beginning onwards you can come. For a smaller number, for example, like this, 3 plus 6, 2 plus 9, 8 plus 8. For example, you can observe these three examples. In these three examples, in the first one, in the first step, how can you add? 3 plus 6 means we are adding 6 to 3. So here in this case, in the first step, we have to take the second digit number of fingers. Second digit. What is the second digit here? 6. So take 6 fingers. Take 6 fingers and 3 after, count all the 6. 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, understood? So total is 9. The sum is 9 or total is 9. You can call this as 9. And in the like this you can practice number of questions. Any 2-digit numbers or any 1-digit number you can take and you will get it like this. So these are without borrowing, we can call. You can call these sums as without borrowing. So in the next section, after this, we can with borrowing also we can check. Now the second one you check, 2 plus 9. Now this type of division, in this type of sum, whenever you are finding the sum, so observe carefully the 2 digits of the given numbers. What are the two numbers here? 2 and 9. 2 and 9 are the addends. 2 and 9 are the addends. In these two numbers, which is the smallest one you have to take? 2, we are upgrading. Slowly we have to improve. Slowly we have to make it fast. So to get the sum very fast, so if we are taking 9 fingers, it take much time. So you take smallest number of the given two numbers, which is the smallest number, that many fingers you have to take. In 2 and 9, 2 is the smallest number, so take 2 fingers. Take 2 fingers and 9 after you can count. 9 after 10, 11. Understood? 10, 11. Write down 11 here. So while you are writing, remember carefully, ones place under ones place you have to write. So 11, the another digit is tens place digit. So this digit you have to write under tens place, but here there is no tens place. Okay? So this is carrying. This we can call it as carrying addition. And now coming to this one. So if you are observing which is the greatest one or which is the smallest one, here both numbers are equal, isn't it? If both numbers are equal, then take any one. 8. Take 8. And 8 after, count 8. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So like that you have to count fast. So no need to sing a song. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't sing like that a song. So just fast. 8 after, take 8 fingers and count 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Like this you have to count. Understand? So by taking more examples with your teacher, you will get easily the addition. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 in 16 you have to write 6 under one's place and 1 is here. Okay? And after completing this addition, here how to find out the big numbers additions with easiest way, by counting into tens. For example, counting in tens means if you are taking which two numbers, the sum will become 10. So we should count it into, round off to the tens, count it to tens. So that means you know that 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 2 and 8 is equal to 10. 3 and 7 is equal to 10. 4 and 6 is equal to 10. And one more thing is 5 plus 5 also gives 10. Now you have to, now here I will give you some questions. Now how can you add by using counting in tens? Okay? Vice versa. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10 means 9 plus 1 also equal to 10 only. So if you are adding two numbers in any order, that means 1 plus 9 or 9 plus 1 both gives 10 only. The sum is 10 only. If you add the two numbers in any order, the sum does not changes. The sum does not change. That means 9 plus 1 or 1 plus 9 both gives 10 only. Our two numbers in A order lo add chesina kuda 10. Not only two numbers, the three numbers. The three numbers, if you take 3, 4, 5, any number of digits you can take in any order. If you are changing the order of the numbers, the sum does not changes. If you are changing the order of the numbers, it doesn't affect the sum. Okay? So, but you have to remember carefully while you are taking more numbers. So, a big numbers here I will write you. So, how can you add those numbers? That we can see. And before that, one thing you can see. If you are adding 0 to any number, if you are adding 0 to any number, you will get the same number. That means 0 plus anything gives that number itself. Or any number plus 0 gives the number itself. For example, you see 5 plus 0 is equal to 0, 5 only. And 0 plus any number, 9 is equal to 9 only. 16 plus 0 is equal to 16. 0 plus 25 is equal to 25. That means if you add 0 to any number or any number to 0, you will get the number itself. And if you are adding 1 to any number, if you add 1 to any number, so for example, you will get its successor. Successor means which comes after. After number you will get. So if you are adding 1 to any number, you will get its after number. That means 13 plus 1. 13 plus 1. What is the successor of 13? 14. 13 after. 13 after. So what is the successor of 25? 26. How you got? How you got the successor? By adding 1 to the number, you get its successor. So you will get the successor by adding 1. Understood? So if you add 1 to any number, you will get its successor. Or otherwise, to get the successor, we should add 1 to the number. That is successor. So in this addition, you can find out the successor. But so the opposite of successor is predecessor. We can call it as predecessor. This we can see in subtractions. Subtractions we can see. Now, so in addition, so if you add 1 to any number, what you will get? It's a successor. That means successor means what? After number. You will get after number. So to get the after number, so is there any limit for the numbers? There is no limit for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 after only the numbers are ends. 20, 30, 40, 100. 100 only 1000, crore, 10 crores, 100 crores, 1000 crores. Like that the numbers will end on. So what is the next number? So where the number ends, there is no limit for the numbers. The numbers extends endlessly. If you add 1 to any big number, you will get next successor. So like that, there is no limitation for the numbers. The numbers extends endlessly. So you will get the successor. So if you think 10 crores is the greatest number, by adding 1 to the 10 crores, what you will get? 10 crores and 1 you will get. For example, you think 100 crores is the greatest number. If you add 1 to 100 crores, 100 crore and 1 you will get. That means there is no limit for the numbers. The numbers extends endlessly. Understand? So by adding 1 to that number, you will get its successor. Now here by taking some more examples, how to find out the addition by using this simplest way. Okay, na? So whenever you are writing numbers also, ones place under ones place, tens place under tens place, hundreds place under hundreds place. If a number contains more number of digits, how to add? If you are adding, what you will get? If you are adding, you will get a sum. That we can see now. Okay. Let us these three additions. How can you add? If you observe this number here, 5239, 2876, 5641, 1357, 8464. So we have to add all this like column wise. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Here you have to remember carefully. So ones place under all these digits are under ones place only. So you have to write them in a straight line. Ones place answer should, if you are adding all the ones place digits, if you get the sum in 2 digits, if you are getting the sum in 2 digits, how to write that also I will check carefully. So while you are adding these numbers, just observe carefully which 2 numbers sum becomes 10. So easiest way of adding the numbers, by adding which 2 numbers you will get the sum 10, you can see. So by observing 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 110 we got. Next 6 plus 4 is equal to 110. 110 plus 110, 2 tens. 2 tens is equal to how much? 2 tens is equal to 20. And 20 after, again how much is there? Only 7. 20 plus 7, 27. 30 plus 6, 36. 40 plus 9, 49. 20 plus 4, 24. 10 plus 9, 19. Like that. Okay, 90 plus 4, 94, 60 plus 5, 65, 20 plus 3, 23. Like that. Here also, how many tens you got? 110 and 2 tens. 20 plus 7, 27 you got. 27. What is this 27? Here the sum of ones. That means if you are adding ones place digits, you got 27 ones you got. 27 ones means, observe carefully everybody, 27 ones I am telling. 27 ones means 7 ones and 2 tens. 7 ones and 2 tens you got. So these 2 tens you should take to the tens place. Why? Because 2 tens we have. So these 2 tens we have to take to the tens place. And ones place under how much you have to write? How many ones here you have? 7 ones. So write 7 ones under ones place. 7 ones under ones place. So 7 ones. And how many tens? 2 tens. So write 2 under tens place. Okay, 2 under tens place we have written. Now we have to add all the tens place digit. The digits in tens place. How many tens you are? Now if you are adding the tens place digits, you will get a number of tens. How many tens are there? 2 tens, 3 tens, 7 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens. Now add all these tens places. If you are adding these tens places, remember carefully which 2 numbers adds, you will get 10. That you have to check. Now here see. Okay, 3 plus 7, 10. 110 you got. Again here also 4 plus 6, 10. 2 tens you got. Remaining digits are 5 and 2. 5 tens, 2 tens, 7 tens. 2 tens and 7. 2 tens and 7. Again 27. Same. 27. Here what? 27 tens. 27 tens means 7 tens and 2 hundreds. Next greater than tens place. Hundreds. 2 hundreds. 7 tens, 2 hundreds. Now write 7 under tens place. Write 7 under tens place. So here this is tens place. Write 7 under tens place. And hundreds, 200s. Write 200 under hundreds place. Now what you have to add? We should add the hundreds place digits. The digits in hundreds place are, 100 place digits are 2, 2, 8, 6, 3, 4. Now we have to add all these hundreds. If you are adding all these hundreds, you will get hundreds. How many hundreds you will get? Now check. Here also, is there any tens you can check? So 4 plus 6, 10, 110. 8 plus 2, another 10. Again, what are the remaining digits? 3, 2. 3 plus 2, how much? 5. 2 tens and 5. 2 tens, 20, and 5 is 25. So what is 25? What are these 25? 25 hundreds. 25 hundreds. Now 25 hundreds means 5 is in hundreds place. Next greater than hundreds place. Thousands place. Very good. So this is thousands place. So write down 5 under hundreds place. Write down 5 under hundreds place. And 2 thousands. Write 2 under thousands period. So ones place completed, tens place completed, hundreds place also we have added. Now we should add thousands place digits. How many thousands we have? The digits in thousands are 252518. Isn't it? Now add all the digits in thousands place. Now here also you can check. Here also you have to see carefully that when you are getting tens. So here see. 8 and 2, 110, 5 and 5, another 10, 2 tens over, then leftover digits, 1 and 2. 1 and 2 how much? 1 and 2, 3. 2 tens and 3. 2 tens and 3 is 23. 23 means what are these 23? 23 thousands. 23 thousands. 23 thousands means 3 is in thousands period. Next greater than thousands period is 10,000s. Next greater than thousands place is 10,000. So 2 is in 10,000s place. So is there any digit in 10,000s place? Here there is no digits in 10,000. So the 10,000s also here you are getting. What is the 10,000s? 2 is in 10,000s and then this 3 is in thousands place. So thousands place. Now what will be the sum? 23,577. 577. 23,577 is the sum of all these numbers. Okay. So like this, the second one also you can find out. The second number sum also. So how many digit number may be given? We have to write down like this in column wise. Ones place under ones place, tens place under tens place, hundreds place under hundreds place, like that. Every place we should write down, it's down, and we should add all the ones, add all the tens, add all the hundreds, like that. Go. Now see here, this number. Here also, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 1 lakh. Till 1 lakh we have the numbers. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 1 lakh. Now add the ones place digits. Add all the ones place digits. How can you add it? You can add by counting in tens. Right? Counting in tens. Now check here. 9 plus 1, 10, 110. 6 plus 4, another 10, 2 tens. 2 tens and 9, 4 we got. 9, 4 means 9 plus 4 how much? 9 ki 1 add chese ఏమవుతుంది 10 అయిపోతుంది. So 9 ki ఈ 4 నుంచి 1 add చేస్తే 3 tens అయిపోతుంది. How much will be left over? 3 will be left over. Okay? So 3 tens and 3. 3 tens and 3 is 3 tens 30 plus 3 33. 33 is the what are these 33? 33 ones we have. 33 ones. So now 33 ones means, observe carefully here once again. 33 ones. 33 ones means 3 tens plus 3 ones. So write down this 3 under ones place. And this 3 under tens place. 3 tens. Okay, understood everybody? So 33 ones means 3 tens and 4. So like that you have to the next greater place should go to the next greater place. Okay, understand? Now here we are adding all the tens place. If you are adding all the tens, what you will get? You will get in tens. The answer you will get in tens. So how many tens here you are getting? See, again, count in tens. How many tens are there? 4 plus anything? 4 plus 6, 110. 1 plus anything? 9 later, leave it. 7 plus 3, another 10. 2 tens we have here, you got 2 tens. Again, remaining digits. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. 2 tens and 8. 2 tens and 8 is 2 tens, 20. 8 is 8. 20 plus 8, 28. So 28 what? 28 what? 28 what? Tens. 28 tens. 28 tens means 8 tens and next greater than tens place is hundreds place. That means 200s. That is 28 tens. 8 tens can be written as 200 plus 8 tens. 200s and 8 tens. Understood? 200s and 8 tens. Now that 2 should go to the hundreds place and 8 should write under tens place. So 8 we are writing here under tens place. 8 we are writing under tens place. And this we are taking carry. We are carrying to hundreds place. Why? Because we did not add all the hundreds. So this 2 hundreds we are taking to hundreds place. So then it becomes here 2. Now check carefully the hundreds. How many hundreds here we have? See. How many hundreds we have? You see. Now we have to add all the hundreds places. What are the hundreds place digits? The digits in hundreds place. Again you can check counting in tens. Which two numbers you add, you will get 10. Very, very important always. If you are adding like that only, you will get soon. You will get accurate answer. Otherwise, if you are adding like 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 0, 13, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 3, 23, 23 plus 2, 25. Like this you have to add. But it is difficult. So, if you are adding like that, 8 plus 2, 110. This is 2 tens. 2 tens plus 3 and 2, 5. 2 tens and 5, 25. Okay? So, easily you will get. 25, what are these 25? 25 hundreds. 25 hundreds means 5 hundreds and the next greater than hundreds place thousands. So 2000s 500. So 25 you can write like this. So 2500 25. So see, hundreds place under 100 place we are writing, tens place under tens place we are writing, ones place under ones place. Very, very important this is. If you are writing like that only, you will get exact. Otherwise, sometimes you mix this number with this or this number with this, like that you can confusion. You can add one number to another number, then you will get wrong answer. So we should not add like that. We should write down in a proper way. Writing the numbers in a proper way is very important than adding. If you are writing in a proper way only, you will get correct answer. Otherwise, if you are missing the number and writing in another place, so you will get wrong answer. So, writing the numbers under each place is very, very, very important. Now see here, thousands place. How many thousands here we have? Observe carefully all this. So, tens. 3 and 7. 110 you got. And no exact tens are there. So, this 9 ki 1 add change. This dintlo oka add this could say 2 tens and 1. 1 is left over. 2 tens and 1. 1 plus 6. 7. 7 plus 3, 10. That means here 3 plus 7, 110. 9 plus 1, 2 tens. And 1 plus 6, 7 plus 3, 10. That means 3 tens. Here you go. 10, 21 plus 9, 30. So 3 tens. 3 30,000s. 30,000s means 0 thousands and 3 10,000s. 3 10,000s. So 0 under 10,000s place, 0 under thousands place, 3 under 10,000s place. 10,000s place 3. Okay? Now you add all the 10,000s places. Now add all the 10,000 places. So 4 plus 6, 110. 8 plus 2, another 10. 2 tens. 6 plus 3, 9. So 20 plus 9, 29. 29 lo 2 here, 9 here. Now add all these. Again, 8 plus 2, 110. 5 plus 5, another 10. 7 plus 3, 310 and extra 1, 31. 3 tens 30 plus 1, 31. 31 lo 1 and 3 here. Why you are not writing this 3 here? Because here there is no 10 lakhs place. If there is a 10 lakhs place, you can write down here this 3. So 10 lakhs also you have to write. So this number can be read as 31 lakhs 90,583. So the sum is 31 lakh 90,503. You have to write down it down. Sum is equal to SUM. Sum is equal to 31 lakhs 90,583. Okay? In the same way, now fastly you can add all these numbers. Now we can add all this without writing any places. At the top we are not writing the places. Just carrying digit to the next greater place. Carrying digit to the next greater place. Carrying digit to the next greater place. Like that. So see here, how many times? 8 plus 2, 110. 1, 2. Power plus 5, 9. 9, 1 9, 2 nines, 3 nines. 3 nines, 27. 27 plus 10, 37. 37 means here 3, here 7. 37. 37. Carry forward to tens place. 7 under this one. Now add all the tens. Add all the tens. Count in tens. 110. 2 tens. 4 plus 2, 6. Plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 20. 20 plus 11. 20 plus 11, 31. Okay? 31. So write down 31 means 1 is here, 3 carry forward. 31. Now add tens. Where you are getting tens? So 6 plus 4, 110. 7 and 3, 110, 2 tens. 2 tens. 5 ki 5 add cheste 10. 3 tens, 1 is left over. 3 tens, 1 left over. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. And 30 plus 7 is 37. So 37, how can you write? 3, 7, 37. Okay? So like this, fast you have to do. So here you observe carefully, tens. 110, 5 plus 5, 2 tens. Again, దీంట్లో 1 తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతే 2 tens అయిపోయినాయి కదా. 110, 2 tens. Then if you take 2 to this place, 3 tens, 2 is left over. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 7, that's not sure. 7 plus 3 will be 7 plus 3, 10 again. So 3 tens plus 10, 4 tens. So totally 4 tens are there. 4 tens is 40. 110, 7 plus 3, 110, 5 plus 5, second 10, third 10, 2 left over, 8 plus 2, 4 tens. So 40 is the sum. So 4 plus 0. 40 is 4 plus 0. Okay, are you following? Why I am telling very fast? Because here we have learned very slowly. So you came to know how to find out the answers. So that way you have to add. Now here also, tens, counting in tens. 8 plus 2, 110. 7 and 3, 2 tens. Tens. Here, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So 3 tens. All completed. 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 3, 10. 3 plus 10, 10. So 33 tens, 30. 3, 0. Now again add this. 7, 3, 10, 110. 6, these 2, 2, 4, 2 tens. 4 tens, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 0, 6. So 20 plus 6, 26. So here 2, 6. Now add all this. 9 plus 1, 110. 8 plus 2, another 10. Again, this 9 plus 1, 3 tens, and 1 is left over. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. So 3 plus 30 plus 8, 38. 40. Now once again check. 9 plus 1, 10. 20, 2 tens. 31, 35. 35 plus 3, 38. So this is the sum. So here you can call it as units, thousands, lakhs, crores. So the sum is 3 crores 86 lakhs 717. So in this way you can add numbers. So this is addition. This is addition. Now after that addition we can go for subtraction. How can you subtract two numbers? How can you ask? If you ask questions in subtraction, how can you ask? How many ways of subtractions? In how many ways we can ask a subtraction question? That we can learn.